Hallo, hi. Ons is hier bij Shaun.
Alweer.
Hallo, hi. Ons het Shahid ook hier, hallo. So, I came to Shaun today. I'm going to... Yeah, I'm gonna do some poor man's mods today. 160 range screws on the car. That is extra 2 kilowatt or something. But yeah, I'm supposed to fix the roof, but I first wanna see about that. But I'm just gonna go through something with you guys just to show you that it doesn't have to cost you an arm and a leg to put some mods on your car, even if it's small stuff. So what I did was I bought this at Fury Motorsport. I bought 20 of them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace all these bolts and screws here around the car. Excuse my engine bay is very dirty. As you guys can see here, after 3 years the wrinkle paint is starting to come off. So I'm gonna be spending a couple of, every month something. I bought this for 80 rand a packet at Fury Motorsport. 2 packets, 160. So essentially what I want to do is every month just spend a bit of money on the car. There's some of us family guys that don't always have the necessary funds. So I'm just here to take some of you guys through that you don't need to break your bank balance to do something on your car every month. I know I might not be able to speak for all, but this is just my experience considering the fact I haven't done anything to the car in a very long time. So I thought, okay, let's just do this. Buy something small every month. Fury Motorsport, when I walked in there, it was like heaven for me. It's like, okay, I'm gonna do something every month to the car now. So what I essentially want to do is I want to clean up the engine bay a bit. So after we fitted the screws, I'm gonna get the airbrush and I'm going to start with the engine bay around the edges here. And paint this the same color because this is a different color. I don't know if you guys can see, it's a bit dirty now, but this is a different color to the car's original. It's the color that it has been sprayed. So I've got paint left still from the bumper fix. I'm gonna use that to just airbrush this up to make it look neater, and then me and Fabian is gonna polish up the engine bay. What I want to do is I want to change the tappet cover's color also. I want to spray it the same color as the car. Just to brighten it up a bit, man, and see what we can do. Obviously polish the intake pipe up again, or the induction pipe, clean up wherever needs to be cleaned up, because the car, I haven't kept my hand on the car as I usually supposed to. And then obviously we're gonna see what we can do. I can already see here behind the wiper tray. I must actually see if I can lift this off to see what the situation is like. But from what I can see inside here, the situation doesn't look too bad rust wise. I don't know if you can see inside here, it just seems dirty. I don't see any rust inside there, so I don't think the wiper tray is necessary to be done. But here around the edges here inside, this needs obviously attention, the hinges, and then here's some rust here, and this under the bonnet. I don't know what happened to the previous owner, but there's a lot of crap going on here. I don't think the under the bonnet was prepped. You can see there's paint coming off here, so there's obviously some weird prepping that happened there. And then obviously the infamous rust issue here that we need to sort out, and there. So I first want to see how things goes, and then I'm just maybe going to do this and that, and the wiper tray seems fine at the moment. I've looked inside, but yeah, let's start putting the screws on. Right, so finally done. Engine is a bit dirty, but yeah, it is what it is. Got all that in there. I'm probably gonna buy some more for odds and ends at a later stage, like that. You know, loose ends that you can tie up, bolts. But yeah, took us about half an hour. It looks like it's gonna start raining again soon, but yeah, that's it from our side. Hopefully next month I can do something on the car again, but I think the first thing that me and Fabian is gonna do is we're gonna polish the car and we're gonna polish the engine bay and then take everything from there. Shout out to Shahid for helping me with the screws. And Shaun, that's always available, helping out and stuff. But yeah, we will catch you guys on the next video. Cheers.